Presenting the Fire-Boltt Beast Smartwatch. It is available in variant colors of black and blue. It is designed with a slick rotating button and a quick menu access for easy navigation. It comes with the best display of 1.69-inch Full HD touchscreen size and 500 nits peak brightness. It's built with a stainless steel metallic body, gives a sturdy and exquisite look. It comes with a lithium-ion battery that gives a battery backup of 8 days and a standby time of 360 hours. It features 24/7 SpO2 or blood oxygen tracking, dynamic heart rate monitoring, meditative breathing and blood pressure monitor. It also has a multiple sport mode and counts your steps for all fitness enthusiasts. This wireless Bluetooth smartwatch allows smart notifications of calls and messages and also features music and camera control. It has other features like weather forecast, IP67 waterproof and watch faces. This box includes a smartwatch, a manual, a magnetic charger along with a warranty card. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.